Robin Bailey, September 26, 2012, north 29.93693, west 85.40331. I've been doing a little sampling down here of what I suspect to be some tar pieces, probably broken tar mat. And what drew my attention when I was driving Highway 98, I looked over this little bridge here and saw this very nasty looking material that we've also been seeing over in Apalachicola, Franklin County, and Gulf County for about 3 years now, starting on August of 10, and today is the 26th of September 2012. So I'm going to go ahead and get a ball jar of this material.